A press conference of the No Cable Car Committee was held on 8th of January in Trieste. The main goal was to clarify the TAR rulings issued at the end of December 2024.
The main point, the main focus of the press conference today is to inform the population regarding the outcome of the Regional Administrative Court, TAR, which gave us positive feedback on the two appeals we did against the regional decrees, which gave the authorization to implement the cable car between Trieste and Opicina. And the positive feedback is that the regional court states that in fact the project doesn't comply with the existing urban planning framework, meaning that is not consistent with the existing piano regolatore.
Yes, the funds for the cableway were assigned by the Minister of Infrastructure, of Italian Minister of Infrastructure, for mass movement, people mass movement, means of people mass movement.
Sul giornale che c'era stata una sentenza a noi favorevole, come un buon inizio d'anno.